Put the cucumber in boiling water and blanch it. This is the best way to make cold cucumbers. Learned such skills. The cucumber is crunchy and delicious. The color is also emerald green and not black. It doesn't change color for a long time. Here we go. Let's see how it's done. First, prepare 2 fresh cucumbers. Add a spoonful of salt to it. Then pour in a little more water. Then start scrubbing the cucumber clean. Because the surface of the cucumber is pot hot, add salt. You can scrub the cucumber skin cleaner. After all washing, put it on the cutting board. Cut off the head and tail. Then add some water to the pot. When the water bubbles, put cucumbers in. Put the cucumber in boiling water and blanch it. This will make the skin of the cucumber. It looks even greener. The color will not turn black after leaving it for a long time. And it can also remove the green taste on the surface of the cucumber. Don't blanch here for too long either. Fishing it out after a minute, put it in cold water prepared in advance. Then quickly overcool the cucumber. This will not only improve the color of the cucumber, keep it green. It can also make the cucumber taste more crispy. Cucumber after cooling, we put it on the cutting board again. Start by slashing the surface of the cucumber with a knife. In this way, the cucumbers photographed will be more regular. After cutting, smash the cucumber with a knife. Shoot the broken cucumber and cut it into small pieces. Cut it all and put it in a large bowl. Next, prepare some garlic. First, slice the garlic with a knife. Then change the knife and chop it into minced garlic. After chopping, put it in the cucumber. Prepare an onion, cut in half first. Then chop the onion into small pieces. After cutting, pinch the onion with your hands. Also put it directly into the cucumber. Prepare a handful of peanuts. Put in a small bowl. Add some water. Wash the peanuts. Because there is a lot of dust and impurities on the surface of peanuts. After washing, drain with a colander and set aside. Next, add a small amount of cooking oil to the pot. Put the peanuts in cold oil. Open a small and medium fire and fry the peanuts through. Flipping with a colander. Let it heat evenly. First, fry the water in the peanuts dry. Finally, fry until the peanuts. There's a little crackling sound coming out. That's it. We put the fried peanuts in a large bowl. Sprinkle some salt while it's still warm. You can do a little more at once. It is very good for wine and cold dishes. Just stir the salt in it well with a spoon. Then add a handful of chili peppers to a small bowl. Splash it in hot oil with fried peanuts. Inspire fragrance. Then put it directly into the cucumber. Add a pinch of salt. Add another tablespoon of light soy sauce. Fried peanuts. Friends who like to eat cilantro can prepare some cilantro. Cut it into small pieces. After cutting, put it in the cucumber. Then put on gloves. Just grab them well and mix them evenly. Every summer I lose my appetite. Learned such a cold cucumber. I cook it every now and then. Tender and crisp. It's particularly appetizing. It's good to drink and eat. We can do more at once. It won't go bad if you eat it for 2 or 3 days. You can catch as much as you eat each time. If you like cucumbers too, just collect it and try it. Well, today's video is shared here. If you like my video, remember to like and follow the message and forward it. Click on my avatar to see more food videos. I post a different food video every day. See you in the next video.